If y'all pulled up on me, I would've seen y'all niggas cause I was outside, pussy. Stop playing with me, bruh. Now pull up on me, bitch. If y'all pulled up on me, I would've seen y'all niggas cause I was outside, pussy. Stop playing with me.
And see, that comes from sitting up there pulling on that motherfucking knob. And see that finger there got that motherfucking all up in that knuckle there got motherfucking.
Guess what we have just found if. Last year. How'd you find this?
I don't know, like, this people throw like baby sleep sounds. I was looking at you and you was looking at me and we was thinking, whoa, 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 whoa. Go to market, go to market, go to market, go to market.